If you hit your garage door with your car and wonder if you can repair it by just putting in a new panel or if you need to replace the whole door, here are some things to consider. Only one panel has damage, you should repair it. But if you've damaged more than one, it makes more sense financially to replace the whole door. Is the door still in good condition? Well, if it's less than 5 years old, you should just repair it. But if it's more than that, the paint's probably faded and it simply won't match. So it's probably better to replace it. Do you know the manufacturer of the garage door? If so, we can repair it, no problem. But if it can't be identified or the design is discontinued, you'll need to replace the door. And perhaps the most important question, do you even like this door? If not, don't throw good money into a bad door. It's time to get a new one. Ready to repair or replace? Call Precision today.